Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can select all text with similar formatting in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Okay, so I have prepared this text for you, and as you can see, we have this text or these words or phrase, wind whispered, and this phrase, the golden afternoon sky, somewhere in the distance, laughter echoed, a soft reminder of life's simple joys. And as you can see, these are the phrases that have the same format. So how can we select these phrases that has the same format without selecting it one by one, as you can see? Okay, so it's just very easy. Look at the ribbon at the top, and here you will find this option, home, or the home tab. And here you will find this select option. Select text or objects in your document. Click on this drop down arrow, and here you will find select text with similar formatting. Click on that. And as you can see, the text that have similar format has been chosen or has been selected. Okay? So wind whispered and the second phrase that has the same format has been selected. So as easy as that, you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.